something that might surprise you, an energy na hindi yung pagka-surprise or hindi yung shock na nakakabwisit, nakakagalit, no, or nakakalungkot, like hindi, no. It's the contrary. It's something right here no, na parang may energy ka na parang hindi ka makapaniwala but it's very positive, no. So let us see. Oh, look at that. It looks like a portal to me. Okay, let's see. Someone could be entering someone's space. And that space, no, ay space mo. Let's see. Okay, you could be meeting someone here, someone very important. Let us see. Sino yung very important? VIP? Oh, interesting. Meron ditong person na nakikita ko dito 'no, which I do vibe 'no, or feel that this is a brand new energy 'no. So kung sino man ito, dahan-dahan or yeah, kaya I just heard unti-unti siya ritong papasok sa mundo mo. Yun oh, kakaloka. So kung sino man 'to, bagong energy raw 'no, someone brand new is what I'm seeing right here. Let me continue unti-unti 'no, papasok. Wow, we've got the Ace of Cups na rumaragasa 'no, emotions ay hindi dito. Ayan 'no, nakakaloka. Uy, kung sino 'to mga babes, ito yung klase ng energy maka-uy. Uy, mare. Uy, pre, ano, yun na nga mga babes 'no, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, excuse me, kahit ikaw magtataka ka 'no, kung bakit itong tao na 'to 'no, ay madali ka lang rito na parang may energy na madali ka lang niya rito na parang mapapapayag 'no. So, may energy ka kasi rito na hindi ka mabilis ma-distract, lalo na 'pag may kinalaman sa work yung ginagawa mo or busy ka kasi may importante kang ginagawa 'no. So, hindi ka dito basta-basta nagpapaistorbo lalo na sa mga friends mo, sa family members mo 'no, kahit sino 'no. Pero siya, parang meron ditong energy ng willingness 'no. Parang madali ka rito na parang nadi-distract 'no, na magpahinga muna, eh, at, mag-relax 'no, i-distract muna yung sarili 'no, to unwind 'no, and to have fun. Hindi naman siya rito BI. Para hindi mo matapos yung importante mo ritong gagawin 'no. But this person will teach you how to have fun and how to enjoy, okay, while, okay, while doing here 'no, other things 'no, aside from work. 'Di ba? So, parang matuturuan ka niya rito 'no, kung paano, mag-enjoy, paano magsaya, okey, and at the same time 'di ba, parang kumbaga parang pahinga mo 'yun, 'di ba, sa mga ginagawa mong importanteng bagay 'no, like work mo gano'n 'no. So, we have here this Three of Cups, Chariot, definitely this person here is coming. Wow, we've got the Strength. Excuse me. Bottom of the deck, the Sun, the Queen of Coins, and the Ten of Coins. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Ten of Coins energy. Wow. So, I can see already that whoever it is na dahan-dahang papasok sa mundo or sa buhay mo mga babes 'no, is definitely the gift of the universe dahil hindi ka pa rin bumitiw rito sa paniniwala na meron pa rin talagang person para sa'yo, 'no? Kasi 'di ba yung iba sumuko na, "Ay naku, yaan na nga yan." Kung single, single talaga, yung iba gano'n, eh, 'no? Pero dito may mga energies na hindi bumitiw. Alam ko talaga sa puso ko na meron akong person, nasaan man siyang part ng earth ngayon, mag-ingat siya sana at hanggang sa aming pagkikita at pagsasama, muling pagkikita at pagsasama, okey? Hihintayin mo siya, 'no? So, this is you, 'no? You do not know talaga kung meron ba talagang tao for you, but you believe in your heart that you have someone who is your other half, your perfect match, someone na laan ni universe or nakatadhana for you, and then voila, boom, 'no? Tsa-tsan! Andito na siya, 'di ba? So, unti-unti siya ritong papasok. Dahan-dahan siyang papasok sa mundo or buhay mo. This person here 'no, marami ka ditong matututunan sa kanya, mga bagay how to enjoy your life. So this is not something here that love at first sight, like hindi 'no. But whoever this energy is 'no, this is someone here 'no, na may itsura and for some reason, meron akong nakukuha dito, I don't know 'no, okay. But maybe this is you, may mga energies ako ditong nakuha na maybe this is you, parang ayaw ninyo nung gwapo, ayaw ninyo nung maganda 'no, kasi parang nagkaroon kasi ng stereotype 'no, yung mga palabas, 'di ba? Sa mga palabas 'no, na parang 'pag maganda, gwapo, ay babaero 'yan, ay lalakero 'yan, ay hindi maganda ugali niyan 'no. So hindi lahat mga mahal, kasalanan 'yan ng mga ano, TV producers. Mga writers 'no, 'di ba gano'n kasi na stereotype na parang hindi lahat ng may itsura, nanloloko. Hindi lahat ng maganda masama yung ugali, 'di ba? Hindi lahat ng gwapo ay hindi puwedeng pagkatiwalaan, 'di ba? So, whatever the case may be, may itsura, may mga maganda, na mabuti yung puso 'no, yung may energy ng nasa kanya na lahat, gano'ng klase ng energy, yes 'no. Yung maganda na tapos mabait pa, 'di ba? Yung gwapo na tapos mabait pa, yes 'no. At ito nga yung example na yun, itong person na 'to. Huwag nating nilalahat mga mahal. Ayoko niyan kasi marami akong magiging kaagaw diyan. Ayoko niyan, ganyan, 'no. Pero mga babes 'no, wala kayong magagawa, may itsura ito. At saka hindi talaga lahat ng may itsura masama yung ugali 'no, yan, oh. Hindi lahat ng mga magaganda or gwapo 'no ay manloloko, 'di ba? So, whatever the case may be 'no, whoever this brand new person here coming into your life, this person will exceed your expectations when it comes to love. Oh, yeah, definitely you receive overflowing, strong current of emotions and feelings coming from this person. Everything this person here gagawin niya for you guys. Lahat, okay? So I do see that whoever this energy is, now this person here, you will start as friends and things will develop right in here, like in a natural way. And I do pick up this person here, no, for some reason, iba yung mararamdaman mo sa kanya. Meron na agad kayong mararamdaman instantly, no, sa inyong pagkikita or unang pagkakilala rito, no. Pero it's not love at first sight. Okay, maybe because, this is you 'no, na, possible na, ay yung energy kasi ng iba sa inyo, "Ay hindi ako magugustuhan nito kasi masyado siyang gwapo or masyado siyang maganda or whatsoever," 'no. But no, 'di ba? This person here is someone who's destined for you, you know. Kaya kung sino man siya, it could be yin and yang right in here, twin flame, not twin flame as I've explained sa aking mga, nakaraang mga videos 'no. Twin flame is you came from one soul, it was being split up 'no, so parang kambal mo yung twin flame mo, okay. Same kayo dito ng mga favorites, characteristics, yes. May similarities kayo dito and also whoever this other energy appearing here as your twin flame, no, is someone, no, na may ugali siyang ugali mo din. That's why other people, no, may mga energies na yes, nagka-clash dito, no, dahil kung ano yung kunwari ayaw mo sa sarili mo, no, yun din yung meron siya na ayaw niya sa sarili niya. So, it looks like you're mirroring each other. Parang gano'n, 'no? But definitely 'no, because you are twin flame and you came from one soul right in here 'no, mahirap kayong paghiwalayin, okey? Because walang hihindi or in other words, walang bibitaw sa inyong dalawa, sa inyong connection, sa inyong relasyon, sa inyong commitment like wali, 'no? Walang bitawan dito. This person here will bring a lot of happiness here in your life and a lot of success right in here. Meron kayong particular favorite flower, okay? Or maybe someone could be plantito at plantita or maybe this person here doesn't have to be maybe this person here is related into some kind of a eco mga parang mga charity 'no, para alagaan yung nature, forest, or whatever the case may be. Or maybe someone here 'no na, pinapanatili lang na malinis yung surroundings. Like let's say na 'pag may nakitang basura siya na mismo magtatapon kahit hindi niya basura yon 'no or kalat. Or this person right here is someone who values 'no yung nature, okay. This person here is someone as well na nakikita natin dito na maaaring may favorite flower talaga 'no, or maybe kahit anong flower 'no, but definitely sunflower is standing out right in here, and sunflower 'no, symbol is happiness, okay. So, I do see that whoever it is 'no, na person na ka-deal mo, ano man ang zodiac sign niyan, ano man dito mga babes 'no, ang kanya rito 'no na, katayuan sa life 'no, nakikita natin dito 'no, na itong tao na 'to is magiging masaya ka sa piling niya and very abundant yung nakikita natin sa energy nitong person na ito 'no. With the Queen of Coins right in here and there's this Ten of Pentacles energy, I do see that this person here is someone. Okay, so sorry for that commercial mga babes. I need to attend lang some kind of call right in here, but let's continue talking about this. So with this Ten of Coins energy, I do see that whoever it is, no, na kumukonek or kukonek kasi kumukonek na siya ngayon sa inyo eh, no? Kumbaga sa walkie-talkie may ano na eh, no? May ganon. Ano yun, parang static na yan, gano'n. May gano'ng connection na kayo, eh, 'no? So, ako rin yung sound effects dito, wag na kayong magtaka. So, nakita natin dito na may connection na kayo ngayon kahit hindi pa kayo nagme-meet because for a lot of you 'no, this person isn't, nasa life mo 'no, like wala pa 'no. But this person here is already connecting sa inyo energetically 'no, and that only means so the strongest the static is na nalalaman natin na ibig sabihin malapit-lapit na siya, ba? So, may gano'ng klase ng energy. Okay? So, whoever this person is with the Ten of Coins energy, this person here na is someone na nakikita ko who will grow old with you guys, will exceed here your expectations when it comes to future spouse or lifetime partner right in here, no? And I don't know, I'm also getting that whoever this energy is, no, it's like this person here is beyond dito, no, yung dreams mo or yung gusto mo rito no, when it comes to partner. No? So, I do see that this person right in here no, is definitely that perfect description no, of someone you truly want no, as a lifetime partner. So, yun nga yung nakikita natin dito mga babes. I know you've been waiting for this initials right in here na pero bago yan, meron tayong clue na nakikita rito. Possible na itong person na to, no, kahit hindi na siya nag-aaral, mahilig siyang maglagay ng pins, no, pwedeng sa hair niya or whatsoever, ganyan. Or mahilig magtali ng buhok, no, just take how this resonates, no, kahit hindi mainit puwedeng nagtatali siya ng hair or maybe it has something to do with his or her job 'no, kailangan itali yung hair, okay. And aside from that clue right in here 'no, we also have here another clue. This person here is excessively drinking something, okay. Maybe parang kunwari hindi niya kaya na hindi makainom rito 'no ng juice sa isang araw or hindi siya makainom ng kape sa isang araw, mga gano'n 'no. So, may gano'n siyang klase ng energy, parang kulang yung araw niya 'pag hindi niya nainom yun, 'yan 'no. So, puwedeng favorite drink niya yun, may gano'ng klase ng clue. Yes, now we're moving forward with the initials right in here 'no. Capital letter T, capital letter N, and the other letters I, A, O. We also have here the H, F, and last but not the least, C. So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you again for your time here. And again, I'm Miriana on ni Sarang Love and Light. And